ASST stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be breaking down everything in this very brief and short 1-minute video. And look, I'm the only guy that has actually done 41,000 videos and documented them all. And I have track record what's making me money and what's not on this YouTube channel. Ultimately with ASST, well, you know, before it was selling, once that first pump happened, I made a video hoping to take it better up. And guess what was the outcome of this video? Well, since we were $33, we reached a freaking high of 13. That's a lot. That's like almost 4x plus, right? Almost 5. All I look to do is like have like a double break here. Now I'm shifting it a little bit lower because now we have new data and new, you know, candles. And if there is no sort of double break, I'm not going to be really buying. Here is that top. All I'm looking is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next.